Okay, great. We are now in our catalog screen. This is the home screen that many of us are familiar with. Oftentimes in the library, we get the most popular question we get asked is, "Do you have this book?" And this is something that you can get to just searching the catalog in your classroom whenever you need it. So let's go ahead and take a look. So let's say I was looking for, I'm going to do Mercy Watson. This series is on my mind, and I'm going to do a keyword search, and that's going to pull up everything that contains the word Mercy Watson. So I'm just going to move the screen over here, and then you can scroll down, and this is just the search results. A Piglet Named Mercy, that's a really good book. And then the next thing I'm going to do is on the right hand side of those book covers, it tells me what is available. So 2 of 2, that means we have 2 copies and 2 are in. 0 out of 1 available, right, means it's checked out. So for our purposes, I'm going to go back to A Piglet Named Mercy because it tells me that 1 of 1 is available. And this is the newest book by Kate DiCamillo. It says here E for easy. So everything in our library that has an E is actually is a picture book, and DIC is the first 3 letters of the author's last name. And so if you did want to come in and this is the book that you wanted, we can direct you to the picture books, and everything is alphabetized. Here's just a search string. You get a short description of what the book is about. Here's more information about the verso. And of course, because our collection is leveled, you get the F&P, which is Fountas and Pinnell, and it's a G. And so, for many teachers, that would work as a read aloud for some of your students. And so that's how to search for a book to see if we have it available. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to our home screen. Let's see, right? I'm going to hit the back button. And that's just going to take me to the list of the search results as I go through if I wanted something else by Kate DiCamillo. I can also search by title, by author, by subject. And so the 8th graders this year, they were searching for their research paper topics. It was just this umbrella of resistance. So let's take a look at what this brings up. And so every book will give an aboutness, right, about resistance, which is, if that's what you're browsing for, one of your students is looking for. Here we have a YA fic book, a Judaic picture book, also YA graphic, and FIC for fic, and all of that is just the different sections that we have in the library. The next thing I wanted to share about our catalog is you can actually change the interest levels depending on your student's reading level. So let's say I had a 3rd grader who was reading at a certain level. So maybe interest level, I often see a book in Follett cataloged as grades 3 through 6. I'm going to then change it to F&P, which is what we use. And any level, mostly like I see a lot of M's, N's, O's, and P's. So M through P, 4, 3 through 6. And this will give me, and then I'm going to hit enter. And then this will give me all of the titles that are cataloged specifically based on the range of F&P levels I gave it. And so when students come to us and they say, I'm an N, where is my section? Of course, we don't have a designated section that is just for leveled N readers. But in our catalog, we can find, which books those are. And so that becomes a really helpful filter in an advanced search on our catalog. It kind of is like it puts delimiters onto the catalog and to help just find something quicker and help meet your information needs and your students' needs as quickly as possible. And so that's just a little bit about our catalog. Thank you so much.